Colossians chapter 2, verses 20 through 22. Therefore, if you died with Christ from the basic principles of the world, why, as though living in the world, do you subject yourselves to regulations, do not touch, do not taste, do not handle, which all concern things which perish with the using according to the commandments and doctrines of men? Tourists use that passage to show that the food, drink, Sabbaths, feast days, new moons, listen in verse 16, refer only to those created by men rather than those under the Mosaic Law. However, what the context shows us is that Christ moved out of the way requirements that, being broken by those who were under those requirements, were being used by the principalities to maintain power over them. And once those things were moved out of the way, those principalities were disarmed. Since traditions of men have no legal power, this can only be referring to something that actually did have legal power, such as the foods, drinks, Sabbaths, feast days, new moons of the Mosaic Law. But what we see in verse 17 is that, being that they were cast in the shadow by Christ, that these actually came from Christ, not from men.